After watching this video, your life will be easier because I am the only one who will tell you how to fix an HP laptop black screen that turns on in just 1 minute. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So, as always, let's start from the beginning. The very first step, which is easy but very important, is checking the charger. Plugging in the charger can sometimes fix an HP laptop black screen if the issue is due to a low or dead battery. But if the screen stays black even with the charger connected, the problem is likely hardware or software related, not the battery. And if you can log into Windows, but the screen turns black afterward, you can try resetting the graphics driver. Press these keys together. Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. Your screen will blink for a second, and then it should work again. If it's still not working, don't worry. Try the next step. A hard reset can sometimes fix an HP laptop black screen if it's caused by temporary power or hardware glitches. It clears stored electrical charge and resets hardware connections, allowing the laptop to start fresh. Here's how. Hold the power button until your laptop turns off completely. Unplug the charger and remove any connected devices like USB drives. Now press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. This will remove extra stored power. Plug the charger back in and turn your laptop on. If it works, great. If not, go to the next step. If the black screen is caused by a corrupted BIOS, then BIOS recovery can fix it. But if the problem is from hardware or Windows, BIOS recovery won't help. To try this step, turn the laptop off. Press and hold the Windows key and the B key together. While holding them, press and release the power button. Keep holding the keys until you see the BIOS recovery screen. Wait for it to finish, and your laptop should start normally again. If you have any questions, type them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.